So after some tugging and pulling, I got the hood up. This was a fixed headlight car. That grill right there is just sitting in there. It was out of the car when I got it. I want to have some fun with this thing. I love videos of people with old cars. This is mine. It's not perfect. It's gonna be one day, hopefully. But I was missing the emblem up front, the little grill emblem. You know the one. Everything else, though, seems like it was when the car is missing those. Once again, the car was originally espresso brown, and someone, they did a hasty paint job on it. It's probably a little cooler. So anyway, factory AC, I told you. Checked the block. It was a YS. That's standard 350 horse, 400. Not a Ram Air or anything. Don't get too crazy. This does have number 62 heads. I don't know what that Felpro down by the header is all about. Doesn't look good. So like I said, when I showed up, someone was going to try to crank the motor. He had a big breaker bar. I was like, hold on, just take your time with that. So we just going to, put some down in the spark plug holes, a little something easier, and we'll try it. I want to get this motor rebuilt anyway, and I don't want to destroy it. We might try to start it for fun. I pressed the brake pedal. They had a brake pedal. I did notice it did not have the original Rochester carb and a big Holly. There we go. So, someone had been doing some work on this thing. I feel like it could be a runner. When I just looked in the radiator, which by the way is over here, and they gave me the fan shroud's still there. It's in nice shape. The clutch van's still in good shape. There was nice green antifreeze in there. And also I smelled the gas cap and it didn't smell terrible. I checked the dipstick, the oil seems pretty good. So, I don't know guys, this looks like, I want to save everything that I can on the car. I don't want to replace anything. I want it to be as original as possible. If I get the motor built, I'm just going to build it back to stock spec. It's not going to get overcammed or anything like that, but man, I want it to be fun driver. I believe it should be, hopefully we're going to do this next 6 months. That's my goal. I'm thinking 6 months. Have a nice driver. Need to go around, let's take a look in the trunk.